I just broke its bird bath.
Callie attempted to sit on that bird bath, and it fell straight over into 2 pieces. She broke it.
Okay.
It's gone.
Oh, fucking dumbass. No, I think it's fine. I think it was already broken. It's really hot out here.
He'll never know.
He won't.
It's actually kind of cockeyed. Wait, there's a ring, Take it.
There's a ring.
Take it.
Oh. Oh yeah, and then I fell. He'll never know. He comes back in like a month.
What happened to my bird bath? Watch it, that's the only thing he notices. My bird bath is
That's not here if you like.
Callie, come look at this. It's still cockeyed.
Someone's probably watching us. What are they doing?
They're stealing that man's bird bath. Call 911.
So loud. Okay, it looks fine now.
Looks good to me.
Woo! This is a birdhouse.
We're just in our neighbor's backyard.
I mow his backyard for him, so I'm allowed to be back here.
I still find it weird that we're in his backyard. He
Bye.
does? I don't know how to stop it.